Welcome in question number 53 of NSEP 2022, and question is, each of 9 sides of frame ACDEFB has resistance R, 9 in all. A current I enters at A and leaves at B. Choose the correct alternatives, and these are the options. Currents in branches CD and EF are 0. Currents in branches CE and DF are each equal to 4 by 11 I. Effective resistance between A and B is 15 by 11 R. Effective resistance between A and B is 3 by 4 R. This is diagram. This is entering of current I and this is the exit of current I. If we draw the diagram, so suppose I current is enter and this is a point A, and suppose there is a current I1, so in this side it should be I minus I1, and this is C and this is D, and suppose there is a current I3. So in this side it should be I1 minus I3, I1 minus I3. And in this side this point is B, this point is E, and this is F. And CE is parallel to DF, so current in this terminal it should be I1 minus I3. So at this junction the current which is coming from A side is I minus I1, and this diagonal, current in this diagonal, it should be CD is parallel to EF, so in this diagonal current should be I3. Now apply Kirchoff's law at this point D. At point D, if we apply Kirchoff's law, Kirchoff's first law, so current which is coming towards point D, this is I minus I1 and also I3 from C to D plus I3. If we take coming current in positive, then and going current we can take negative, so minus I1 minus I3. This is the current which is flowing from D to E in this dimension. So it becomes I minus 2I1 plus 2I3. This amount of current is moved from D to E. It should be I minus 2I1 plus 2I3. So now if we apply the Kirchoff's second law in mesh A, C, D, A, in this A, C, D, A, and if we take it's just like the showing. So it should be I1, resistance I1, direction of this is clockwise, and current in AC is also in the direction of which we consider, so it should be positive, so I1R plus again I3 into R. Current in the direction of CD is clockwise, and current in direction of DA it is anti-clockwise, so we should take minus I minus I1 into R, and it should be 0 as per the Kirchoff's second law. So it becomes I1 plus I3 minus I plus I1 equal to 0, or I1 2I1 plus I3 minus I 2I1 plus I3 equal to I. This is equation number 1. Now we apply in this again clockwise in mesh CEDC. So it becomes I1 minus I3 in CE. It becomes I1 minus I3 into R, and in DE it current is anticlockwise, so minus I minus 2I1 plus 2I3 into R, and in CD again it is anticlockwise, minus I3 R equal to 0. So we solve it, it becomes I1 minus I3 minus I minus plus 2I1 minus 2I3 minus I3 equal to 0. So it becomes I1 plus 2I1, 3I1 minus I3 minus I3 minus I3 minus 4I3 equal to I, and this is equation number 2. Now if we equate equation 1 and 2, then from equation 1 and 2, so it becomes from 1 it is 2I1 plus I3, I equal to 2I1 plus I3, it should be equal to 3I1 minus 4I3, 3I1 minus 4I3. So it should be equal to I3 plus 4I3 equal to 3I1 minus 2I1 equal to I1, and 5I3 equal to I1, and I3 should be equal to I1 upon 5. This is equation number 3. Now put the value of equation I3 in equation 1, and equation 1 is 2I1 plus I3, 2I1 plus I3 is I1 upon 5, that should be equal to I, and here 5 into 2 10 plus 1 11 upon 5 I1 is equal to I, and I1 equal to 5 upon 11 I. I1 equal to 5 upon 11 I. This is equation number 4. Or we can say that, so put the value of this I1 in this I3. So I3 becomes 1 upon 5. I1 is 5 upon 11 I. 5 cancel out, 1 upon 11 I. This is the value of I3. So if we consider that the voltage across A, this point A and B is V, so current is going from A to follow this path and pass through this I. So we consider that the voltage across A and B is V. So we can write the voltage across AC, voltage across current is I1. So voltage across AC, it should be I1 R plus voltage across CE, this term CE, it should be I1 minus I3 into R, I1 minus I3 into R plus voltage across EB, voltage across EB, it should be I minus I1 into R plus I minus I1 into R. It should be the total voltage across A, B. So, we can write I1 means 5 upon 11 I R plus 5 upon 11 I minus I3 is 1 upon I3 is this 1 upon 11 I into R minus I minus I1 is 5 upon 11 I into R, that should be the V. Or we can say 5 upon 11 I R plus 5 minus 1, 4 upon 11 I R plus 11 minus 5, 6 upon 11 I R equal to V, or I R 5 plus 4 plus 6, 15 equal to V, and 15 R upon 11 equal to V upon I, and we can say it effective resistance. So R effective becomes 5 by 11 R. Now we can check the option, and option is 5 by effective resistance between A and B is 5 by 11 R, and also R is equal to 4 by 11 I. We have already determined C in CE and DF 4 by 11 I. So it is also a correct answer. So in this question, option B and C, option B and C should be correct. Correct answers are B and C. So dear students, this is the solution of question number 53 of NSEP 2022, and in next video we will solve the question number 54. Thank you very much.